Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about chia seeds, and I have a list of tips and ideas that might help you out when you're working with chia seeds. First of all, chia seeds do not have to be ground for digestive reasons like flax seeds do. They're easy to include in your diet without any special treatment. Why not add some chia seeds to porridge like oatmeal, pudding, smoothies, yogurt, and some baked goods. Chia seeds can be eaten raw, but they should be soaked first to allow their soluble fiber to soak up some liquid. And that also will allow the phytic acid to be broken down some, but it's really important not to eat them dry. Please do not attempt to eat chia seeds dry. Why not use some chia seeds to thicken sauces, gravies, soups, and stews? To make an egg substitute, just simply combine 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water in a small bowl. Stir it and allow it to sit there for about 5 minutes or so until it forms a gel. And that combination will replace 1 egg in baked items like cupcakes, muffins, or even cookies. Why not make an easy chia pudding? Just mix 1/4 cup of your chia seeds with 1 cup of liquid. It could be a nut milk of your choice, or it could be a fruit juice of your choice even. And allow that mixture to rest for about 15 minutes until it's no longer watery but more of a pudding consistency. And the chia seeds will not add much flavor of any, so you can feel free to add whatever spices and flavorings you want to that. Chopped fruit, nuts, chocolate chips, other toppings would be good. And keep it in the refrigerator if you need to store it, and it'll keep for several days. Chia seeds may be eaten whole or ground, but more recent studies show that we might absorb more of the nutrients from ground chia seeds than the whole ones. This list is a little long, so I divided it into 2 videos. Stay tuned for part 2. The link will be below for you. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Bye for now.